In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view email stats in AWeber. If you've been sending broadcasts and want to quickly understand how they performed, where people engaged, and where you might improve next time, this walkthrough will make it simple and stress-free. Once you're in your AWeber account, the path to your broadcast performance is straightforward. Go to Reports, then Reports. This is the central place where your broadcast stats live. Think of it as your dashboard for how each email did in the real world, from delivery to clicks. On this page, you'll see your broadcasts organized so you can review key performance at a glance. The statistics you'll encounter typically start with delivery and reach, including how many subscribers the message was sent to and how many of those deliveries were successful. From there, you'll notice open metrics. Unique opens represent how many individual people opened your email at least once, while total opens can be higher because a single person might open more than once. Open rate expresses that engagement as a percentage of those delivered. Next up are clicks, which tell you how many people interacted with links inside your email. Click rate looks at clicks against deliveries, while the click-to-open rate focuses on clicks relative to the number of people who opened. That second number is especially helpful when you're testing content and calls to action because it filters out subject line influence and zeroes in on how compelling your email body was. You'll also see negative signals that matter for deliverability and list health. Bounces indicate where an email couldn't be delivered. Hard bounces are permanent issues, like invalid addresses, while soft bounces are temporary, such as a full inbox. Unsubscribes and complaints highlight where recipients opted out or marked your message as spam. Keep an eye on these. Small, steady numbers are normal, but spikes are a cue to review your targeting, frequency, or message relevance. Use these stats to spot patterns. Strong opens can suggest your subject line and timing hit the mark. High clicks with modest opens point to great content that might benefit from a more compelling subject line. If clicks are low, consider whether your call to action is clear, your links are prominent, and your offer matches subscriber expectations. That's all there is to it. To view email stats in AWeber, go to Reports, then Reports, and let the broadcast stats guide your next improvement. Check in after each send, track what changes move the needle, and build a playbook that consistently boosts your results.